Welcome back to this Blueprint Amazon KDP automated income generator for all devices. In this video, I'll be walking you through on how to generate your NIN card for the verification of your dollar account. The essence of this is that if after creating your dollar account and they requested for your verification using any of your ID, so you can easily use your NIN or maybe any of the valid ID you have. So without saying much, let's just walk through the video. Okay, so first of all you need to do is come to Google Play Store. Come to Google Play Store here. And then search for NIMC mobile app. Alright? You can see it here. NIMC mobile app. Okay, so click on this. Good. You can see it here. So what you need to do now is install the app. Install the app. Alright, pending. Let's wait for it. Alright. Alright. Okay, so now you paste your pen, or you can copy it and put there. Once you're done with that, you click on next. Then you see the terms here. Attestation, agree, right? Okay, so now you'll be logged into this page, right? You'll be logged into this page like this. So you can see show my ID, get visual name, scan an ID, security pin, print NIN, link my numbers. So what you need to do is come to print NIN slip down here. Okay, you can see this print NIN slip, right? So click on this. So the page will load. Alright, okay, welcome to NIMC. Alright, quickly print your premium NIN slip. Alright, see this? So what you need to do now, click on print premium slip. Alright, this is it. Okay, can you see this? This is it. So now this is the premium NIN slip. Okay, you can come over here. You see you have premium slip, you have standard slip. All right, these are the two ID cards that you can print. Now for the standard slip, you can see the amount here is 400. You just pay and you get it. And then the premium slip, the amount is 1,000. All right. Now you are going to pay this online. You are going to pay with your ATM debit card online. But also know that Remitter will charge you because you are paying through Remitter, right? Remitter will charge their own little fees. So when you sum it up, it can be as much as 1,200. Because Remitter might charge anything close to 200. All right. So now you want to pay. You click on pay with Remitter, right? Pay with Remitter. Now once you click on pay with Remitter, you'll be redirected to Remitter page where you'll be able to make the payment and print your ID card. I believe you must have watched the video, so I also believe that you understand it very well. If you also have any issue, don't forget to drop your question in the support group. And remember to visit any cybercafe to print out the NIN card. It is very important for your verification, especially Pioneer. So ensure you do that, and bye for now.